This is Chris. We're here to talk to you about birds not being real. They're surveillance drones. During the late 1950s, throughout the early 2000s, the United States committed a massive genocide of the bird population, killing over 12 billion birds and replacing them with surveillance drones. The drones consist of a CPU, microphone, speakers, cameras, an embedded antenna, and a charging port. The most common is pigeons, but all birds in the sky are drones. This movement is bigger than just our school. We've had a billboard in Memphis, and we have flyers all the way from Arkansas to California. And we can just be a small little foothold in that. This isn't new information. The birds aren't real movement started way back in 1976, but with our technology, we can push this movement further than ever before. And that's really just all I have. Some little background information on the drones. I don't have one. See, I figured I didn't need one. You're just trying to spread the word that birds aren't real. Yes, Doofenshmirtz. No, because they're not real. Yes, David?
Get off the stage.
Alright.
This is the worst podcast I've ever done.
I just want to make it clear that I am not necessarily a advocate of the club. I am overseeing them. I guess it's one of those things where you want to keep those people close who might think this.